Hello, I am just creating a very quick walkthrough to show everybody where to find the rubrics for the assignments that you'll be completing in this class. Accessing the rubrics is important because that shows how your work will be graded, gives you an opportunity to see those guidelines prior to actually submitting the work. The easiest place to find them is by first clicking on Course Menu, then Learning Modules. From there, it might take you to a different screen depending on where you last accessed the course. So if it takes you to one of the individual modules, what you'd want to do is click on Table of Contents. I was already there, so the screen did not change, but it will if you were in Module 2, for instance. From there, click on Assignment Guidelines and Rubrics. And this will take you to a page that lists all of the rubrics that we use in this course. We see you have the discussion rubric. This is the one used for this week's analysis paper. You have your final paper guidelines, the workshops, the final presentation, and the rubric for your rough draft. So everything is there. Rubrics are also located within the individual modules. So for instance, if you were working through Module 2, as all of you are this week, we were to click on Module 2, you'll see that here the rubrics for each assignment are located. So you have the discussion rubric there, final topic proposal doesn't have a rubric, and your analysis paper guidelines is in the link as well. So I hope this helps clear things up. If anybody has any questions, please let me know.